I've just come across some genuine jiggery pokery behaviour right now. I've come across this 2p coin. It's got a tail side and a head side. And no matter how many times I spin it, it always seems to land on tails and I can't explain it. So I've got it here. It's spinning. Right, there's no editing in this whatsoever. And then look at this. That's tails, but that's a 1 in 2 chance. That's not that unlikely. So we're going to do it again. And boom, another tails. Which still isn't terribly unlikely. We're going to do another time. That was a good one, actually. You can see, look at that, it's another tails. Right, I'm going to do it this time with the tails facing away with me. Almost fell off. Yeah, and look at that. It's tails again. This time I'm going to do it with the tails face facing towards me. And it's tails. This time I'm going to use my other hand with the tails face facing away. Alright, that's tails again. That one went off camera, so you know, I could have faked that one. So I'm going to do it again with the tails face facing away with me. This hand. That was not a good spin, but it was a tails, and this time tails face facing towards me with my left hand. And look at that, it's another tails, right? Alright, I can only promise that I'm not like a magician or anything, and that I'm not doing any editing, and that I'm not flicking it in a specific way. But this just keeps on happening, so I'm going to stop the video right now. I'm going to go and count how many times I've spun it, and how many times it's got landed on tails, and what the likelihood of that is. Right, so I've just went and calculated that there's a 1 in 256 chance of it landing on tails every single time. I'm going to do it a couple of the times, so this is going to be 512. 1 in 512 chance of it landing on tails this time. Now this is going to be 1 in 1020. Sorry, 1 in 1024. One in 2048. I don't know if anyone can explain this, if it's got something to do with like the way it's like a different image on each side to do with the weight or something, the way aerodynamics, I have no idea. So what was that? Alright, so this will be 1 in 4096. There's another one. This one's going to be 1 in 8,000. 1 in 8,192. Look at that. Like, the chances of it happening this many times are impossibly slim, and it has been consistently doing only tails like before I started filming this video as well. And I don't believe in magic or superstition or anything, but this is just genuinely ludicrous. And boom, I've lost count by this point. But I could have faked that one, so what was it? Ah, I don't remember. But you can still see this is the same coin. tails, heads. And there's gonna be people like saying that this is fake. It's not fake. I understand that saying that people are gonna say this is fake just makes something sound way more fake, but that is just unbelievable. Another tails. Another tails. Look at that head's on that side as well. Goodness. And another one. Carol, look at this coin, right? No matter how many times I spin it, it always lands on tails. I've been keeping a video of this. I've spun it like, I think, probably like about almost 15 or 16 times by this point. Every single time it's been tails.
Can I try?
Which is like one in like several thousand. Yeah, well, do you know how to spin a coin? Like that.
I just spin it with 2 fingers. It does the same thing, but yeah, I'll do the flick one.
Alright.
When I usually flick, I usually tails again.
Look at that. It's another tails.
Okay, I'm here.
It's a different person.
Okay, let me do my right eye. Just do like that. Does the same thing. Tails!
That's another tails. That is incredible.
Wait,
I don't even know what chance we're on by this point. I don't know when to stop. I feel like I should stop when we get ahead, but I don't know when that's going to happen. It could be years.
That's another tails.
That's another tails, and you can see it's still heads and tails. It's not a fake coin or anything. I don't know what to say.
That's another tails.
That's another tails.
Wait, I got one. How about if I flick it up? Up.
Well, that's a flick, really.
Heads.
I mean,
It's like tails again.
it was a tails, but that's just a flick. That's not a spin, is it? Goodness. I'll get a different coin. I'll get this coin now.
Yeah, I'll
And look at this. Because it's not been happening with these other coins. See, that one's a heads.
What?
I have no idea what's going on right now.
Maybe the weight. Or these
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Maybe it's got something to do with like the different...
Yeah, because these ones are
on
quite
each side.
corroded, and that one's quite good. That was bad condition. Well, okay, let's try
I don't know if there's any explanation out there. I'm gonna do it one more time, and then I'm gonna end the video. I'm gonna calculate the likelihood. Okay, it's went off screen. Start that one again.
Okay, can I do one after you?
Okay.
Tails again.
That was tails. I flicked it
Okay.
over at the end.
Still tails. Still tails. Wait.
Alright.
Wait,
Yeah,
wait,
I'm gonna...
one last one.
Ah, one last one. Okay, fine. Tails. Alright, I'm back. I've just done the maths, and it turns out that the chances of me landing a tails every single one of those 24 times is 1 in 16,777,000. Which is just ludicrous. I've decided to put it into scale, so put a picture of the Earth right here, which is about 13,000 kilometers in diameter. And then here's the Sun to scale, which is about 1.4 million kilometers in diameter. And here's a star called Capella, which is about 16,800,000 kilometers in diameter. Approximately. And like, I don't believe in like magic or jiggery pokery or anything, but like the chances of it happening are so ludicrously low that something's got to be going on. So I don't know what kind of science is going on here. If you know, or if you know anyone that knows, like, let them know about this and like see if they can answer it, because I have no idea how it so consistently gets tails every single time.